All right, so today we're just gonna. Today was as you all saw, was an interesting day. That's for sure. So we're gonna review what exactly, because I'm not taking. I was thinking about it the whole time. I'm like, I think I'm just scared to lose. Still, having 2 years of not being consistent and just losing to an extent, you develop a kind of trauma. I guess. I guess that's what it is because I'm not taking the trades that are good because I don't want to lose. Not getting out in profit, that's kind of okay. I mean, this was a stupid one. Normally, would hold it. If the red line was not here, it would have been a good one to hold regardless. This would have likely worked. Anyhow, so we're just gonna our trading style right now is we wait for price to get into the zone and we look for a rejection. If it's the first candle, we look for the second rejection. On the second rejection, then we decide to take the trade, right? Especially for the shorts. And then for the longs, let's say on this day, we would have wanted price to come to this zone. Market open 7:30, one price to come to this zone. Reject. Come to this zone, reject, and then one, two candles, and then we'll get a long. If he rejected here, we'll probably just raise down here. And then if he came to the zone, we'll raise below the zone, right? That's how we trade per se. And then otherwise, we're looking for price to come back to previous high, reject, and we'll reach the obvious low closest to the high. Let's just put it that way. The obvious low closest to the high. So let's say this was the high here. One, two, three, four candles. All of this, you can see it's like clear high, broke through with nice volume, came back, pulled back, and so we take this low closest to the high. I take this trade after it pulled back, right? Rejection would be the um risk will be this low, but just to be safe, we would risk down here 60, right? That's what this would be. And then for the short, you'd want we don't like to take shorts without confirmation. We don't like to take shorts without, so there was no confirmation here. It just went rejected with volume, rejected again with volume, and then pulled back hard. We didn't know it was gonna come all the way back here, but we didn't take a trade, and this was the only trade we took. Um, and obviously, if it breaks the prior high, then we tend to not want to take that trade anymore. This rejection was good. This rejection was good, but it broke the prior high. It broke out of the zone and broke the high of the zone, so we didn't want to take that trade anymore. And it worked out to be it worked out going against us. So we're gonna go to the back test here. Start from May, and I'm gonna what I wanna see is what if after let's say after 7:35, after 7 so 7:30 35, 7:35, after 7:40, if price is going down, then we would want to wait till there's volume that comes in, and then we'll take the breakout of that candle with volume. So example will be this is 7:30. We don't even know what is happening here. As a matter of fact, there's nothing happening here. It's just downtrending. There was no opportunity to go in short. Boom, boom, and then this was volume, right? But we don't like this candle, so we'll ignore this trade. But boom, boom, and then volume. So then when this volume came in, you can take the breakout of that right there, risking just under the candle, 120, looking for 240. Right, that's what we're talking about here. And then after that, because I'm thinking, if you check, let's this is May 31st. So let's go back, let's say all the way to May 20th, right? That's about 11 days or 10 days because May 30th there was no trade on May 30th apparently. So 10 days, 10 trading days. If you see all lows, boom, volume. came down to the low. This was within 730. This is why I say after 740. I'll explain the 731 will take the actual, we'll take it from the bottom, not from the volume breakout. It is after it breaks the 730, between 730 and 740, after it breaks that low, then we'll be looking for volume. So now, boom, boom, volume right there. We like this candle, we like this candle, we like this candle. We'll take this trade, risking the low. 220, right? 220, looking for 440. Well, the point is, so you see that point where volume comes in is mostly always the low of the day. Look, so 730 is all past. Volume came in here. We don't like this candle, so wait. It pulled back. It even broke again, and then boom, volume came in. We like this candle, the candle right before it. We like it, and so we took that trade, and it's the low again. Let's go to the next day. This day was an uptrend day. It was uptrending. So we don't even need to. It's not downtrend, so we don't even need to wait to when what we need is when is the high, when is a high formed. High formed right here. It's actually a base, not even a. It's a base, so that's still okay. Pulled back to here. We took this trade, risking all the way down here, right? And then we got stopped out, and then this happened. I don't know what the hell all of this is, but then it came down again to this consolidation here. This is a large consolidation. If it was just this fall, it's clean. The idea is clean. So it's a high and it's a base here, right? And this is the low of day. So came down to this base again after stopping us out. It was downtrending, 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 and then it came down to this base, and then boom, take another trade there, risking low of day 220, looking for 440. But on this on an uptrending day, we don't need to find out where volume comes in. Uptrending day, we don't need to know where volume comes in. Uptrending day is mid 38 already. I guess that's not enough example. Let's go back. Let's go back more. Is May 9th. Okay, let's do May 9th. Downtrending day. Where is the low of the day? Oh, look, this was nice. So, yeah, what's it called? So, this 737. So, volume came in, it didn't break, right? So, no trade. Boom, boom, boom. Broke again. Volume came in, but we don't like this candle. Boom, boom, boom. This is a good candle. This is a failed trade. You'd have lost on this trade 150 if you're taking this, and then broke again. And this is also because you'd have lost on the trade if you're taking 150, and this is also on this particular day. Let's say this was a high right here. This was a base right here. Actually, this was a base right here, right? And then it came up, rejected this base twice, assuming we didn't even take this trade short. But I probably won't even take this trade short because it's just the. Actually, I like that candle for a short. It's not too bad. 130. So we have taken 130, we're looking for 260. We should have got in here, right? That was good. Again, we don't like this candle. And he rejected at a good point. This one rejected. This one was a lost trade, and then boom, we're waiting for volume. This is good volume right here. This right here is good volume on top of the fact that it's right above the red. So take that right there, risking 150 probably, or even maybe 170. Looking for 340, bruh. He would have lost this trade though. That's fine. That is all good. And then obviously so and then it's downtrending still, so came back up to another red line, rejection, rejection. This is a solid high right there with a lot of wicks. So we would have expected it to want to break though, but took our profit here. Good rejection on that candle. The prior candle had rejection too. Probably take that trade on that candle, risking just there. Risking just there. 140, looking for 280. That's it. Or you could have even risked up there. 250, looking for 500. You'd have gotten your profit all the way at the end of the day. But then this happens, so now we have this low here formed. And we have, this is not high. This is a high, but it broke through hard. And this is a low that I would have raised, but it broke through hard. And then when it broke through that low, came to this base here. Um, good volume. It didn't break through that volume on the next candle. It broke through on the candle right after though. But how do I say this? If after we get volume and we actually get, and then it comes and wants to break it again, then you can just say that day is fully downtrend per se. I don't know how to explain it. Oh, and by the way, this candle, we don't like this candle, so there's that too. But this, we don't like the candle prior to this one. There's not much volume to it, but this candle is pretty good though. This candle is pretty good. But you can see that there's a lot more bearish momentum than bullish. You know what I'm saying? So probably you'd have to use intuition to not take some trades here. Like here, you'd probably not want to take this trade. That trade up there, you probably don't want to take it. Maybe after this kind of form 1 2, then this candle you could take this trade, risking underneath the, so 100, looking for 200 kind of thing. Or maybe you're taking this trade. Oh, it's 12:30, probably done then. So we're only looking up until 12:30, by the way. So this 750 volume did come. I actually like this candle. It's not too bad a candle. Take that trade, risking just 150, looking for 300. We don't quite get it. It goes up, we lose that trade. But you see, this was 730 candle. Oh, and there was obviously we were already being a short right there, risking 160. 160, looking for 320. Assuming we don't take that short, would have taken this short here or here. Here, risking high of day 250, looking for 500. Right? Because even though we took this one, when these candles happened, this 1 2 3, that was a short. What's it called? This candle here. Actually, this would have been a long here, risking base 70, looking for 140. Oh, got that. But on the first candle, we were looking for a second rejection, but the next thing, boom, it pops back down. We wait for it to get to this high. It doesn't have rejection, it doesn't have volume. We finally get volume. We take it 150. We're holding it. Oh, I gotta go get my groceries. Give me a second.
Quality, original, genuine, authentic Nick Sean video
Alright, I'm back. Alright, so we had this day downtrending. We had good momentum here. Plus it's on the red line, but look, it didn't break, right? So there'll be no trade here for the long. Then it continued going down. And good momentum here. It didn't break on this candle. It didn't really break on the candle. But at this point, come on, you gotta call it a falling knife now, ain't it? At that point, it's a falling knife. I have a thesis. The ones that work the finest are the ones that have good rejections leading up to it, up to the volume. So if you see this one, there's not much rejection on this candle. This has no, this is bearish, and then boom. So it didn't really work like that. And then what's that sound? Anyhow. And then this one, good volume. Could have taken that. You'd have lost the trade eventually. It was taking you a while to lose the trade. 170. And then pops up here again, good volume. Goes up, pulls back, pops up with good volume again there. Plus all of this consolidation. Falling knife done. Looks like the knife is bouncing now. It's already falling to the ground. It's bouncing. Bouncing. Fell more. Bouncing. So you could have taken a trade on probably this candle. Maybe. Or this candle. You could have taken a trade on this candle. Risking all the way at the lows. 250 looking for 500. Probably well on the breakout that candle not too bad. Because it's pushing up again still. Today's zone. You can see today's zone. That's why I kind of figured out it wasn't going to work really. Today's zone, it wasn't pushing up, it wasn't making new highs, it was just going down, no new highs, nothing. So that's why I kind of figured it wasn't going to work. Where the volume came in today was here, good volume, and it worked. And then that candle, very bearish, very, very bearish. 150 looking for 300. Finito. But this volume here doesn't matter that much. Doesn't matter as much. I mean, it matters because it was a good sign, but first of all, it's much, it's too much, and it's just I don't know. It broke past the volume thing, right? So and leading up to it was not a good candle too. All right, so could have taken this because pop. We had this high formed here, it goes down, pops up, breaks a new high, goes down, pops up, breaks a new high. Come on, you can see that there was now strength coming in. All right, next day, market open on this candle, pushes down from this highs here, from this low here, pushes down, and then 730. So now this is good rejection here. You can use this and risk down there, risking down there. 300 looking for 600. Oh, it actually worked. Interesting. Oh, looking for 600 there, and as it was pushing up, good rejection there, good rejection there. You could have taken your short right there, risking the high. That's about 240, looking for 480, right? And then you have this high that you need to work on. So 480 was about right around that high, and then you had this high that formed there. It was okay. This was definitely no okay. Nope, no rejection. Okay, okay. The risk is down here, so maybe they break out that candle, or maybe another good candle to solidify things. Because this first candle was a lot of momentum. This candle was okay. This candle was bearish. This candle was okay. This candle was bullish, so you want another bullish candle. This candle was okay. This candle was bullish, right? So that's why you took this trade. So you take this trade. Rejection. Okay, see rejection, bullish, but there's no momentum on it. Is the thing, and I'd much rather take the risk between the first 7:30, 7:35 candle than take it with no momentum at 10:45. Then you get a breakthrough and continues downwards. Well, in this time there is no um there is no downward. There's no opportunity to join in on this. And by this time, it was already done. We've already done our trading. Look at that. Good rejection, leading up to it. Boom, boom, momentum, right? With that momentum, breakout, you could have taken that trade, you know? And that's the low. And if it was going to work, it would have worked, right? So you're risking about 220. You got about 270s. You give a 440, obviously, but you got about 270s before it turned around. And depending on, you just take the breakout. But yeah, if you had gotten it here, basically 200, looking for 400, you have still not worked. If it's not going to work, it's not going to work. So, while basically doing what I was checking for, but we're supposed to be seeing that. So, you see downtrending 7:30 here, and then 7:45, 7:35, and then boom, good momentum, momentous candle right there. There's no prior history though, so good candle right there, and good candle leading up to it. Okay candle, not good. Okay candle leading up to it. So 260, again for 6. Still got your profit. But it's okay candle leading up to it, not good, just okay. It's because of this candle that I worked on. I probably would not have taken that breakout because this candle wasn't the best. Well, it's good, very good volume. And then on the pullback, maybe I'd have taken it maybe there on that up candle, again risking 170 or risking 210. That's 400, right? And then looking for 420. And then we have the highs. We have the highs there. Beautiful momentum, but we're not going to take that trade. Well, I'm more long bias on SPY. That's what we care about. A long bias, so not a good candle leading up to it, right? So no trade. No, that's not even. By this time we're already done, but that's a good candle right there, and good candles leading up to it with the volume. So taking that risk in low. Not too good a candle leading up to this one, but you can still see good volume here. Not a very good candle this, but when this one good volume, okay volume, okay volume. Plus, but this is good leading up to it. But hey, market closes at this time, so you don't want to take a trade then. This is the high you're expecting to come to. Or you only came here. Oof, that's a big risk. Go 1 hour. Hmm. Clear levels there. This would have been a trade. I would have lost this trade. Then flat line. So it would have been a flat line trade, but probably would not have taken it. And then price came back down to these areas here. Good volume there. Break out of the volume. But we're not looking for volume on an uptrend. Probably have taken on this candle even. Risking to low of day 220. Looking for 440. Just like today's. And it pulled down to where is today? On this candle here. The lows are down here. So when I took this trade here, it was a good trade. Should I let it play out? Should not be scared. Should not have taken this trade though. It wasn't the best. Yeah, that second candle confirmation. $7.30 here. Good candle there. Not much rejection. We're not gonna take that candle. It's too long. Not much rejection here. Weighted volume. Good candles leading up to that volume momentum there. Right, good candles leading up there. Risk is under this. Broke this, so risk I guess is this one then. Broke this low, so risk is there. So I'm thinking we'll take it there. Cause it's 740. So we're there for momentum. Oh yeah, we're there for momentum to occur. But I'm just thinking if we wanted to even take this. Because this candle is not the best. This candle is good. And then follow the momentum candle has a good amount of rejection. So probably take it down there. Risking 120 maybe. So it was 100, 120 looking for, or 140 looking for 280. Oh, we got 280. And then they approached this rejection. This was a good candle then. 280 is where? 280 is over here. This candle was pretty confusing though because of the backup. But it broke, so it broke that line, so that's not good. I mean, it's not the best at least. So we're looking for momentum, which we got here. And then this occurs. Wicks, don't like this. Waiting for the next one. This is okay. And this is okay. This candle right here. Looking for Again, 140 for 280. With this we're on an uptrend, right? High, low, high, 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 low, high, high. Pulls back to these highs here. Because I haven't taken it here because of this week. This high is good. This high is good. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. I guess it had to be down here then. So if it was here, with something like this, risking this low, 190, looking for 380. But I think it would have been down here. Good momentum. Yeah, on this candle still. Right there. About 300. Nah, it'll probably be here. Skin down there. Uptrend. So, and then this high is here. This didn't break through that much until we were looking for it. This broke through nicely. So this high could be a thing, and then this would be the obvious low. So 730, good rejection off of these wicks. This is the obvious low, so if we took a trade on this second candle here, we're just risking down there 45, looking for 90. But I doubt would have taken that trade. So pulls down now. Oh, let's not forget this here. This was not a good candle. Well, this was not a good candle, so we'll not take this breakout. Wait. It's okay, but it's not a good candle. Alright, so then wait. This is a good candle right here. This is a good bullish candle, right? Good volume. Follow through with a nice candle and broke the high. So we could have taken a breakout of this second candle here, plus all the rejections on the way down. Risking the low 100, looking for 200. And then as it came up, it's not an uptrend, so we have this high that formed here. Obvious low down there. So this was not a bad trade here. 135, looking for 270. Right. And this day would have said, okay, where do we want to take a shot from? Well, this is not a bad place. You dropped this much. It's not a bad place, first place. It's not a bad second place to take a shot from. I guess this whole place is good, so it's not a bad third place to take a shot from. By then would have been done trading though. Stand. How nice. Alright, so yeah. Yeah, so somebody could have taken this one, risking down there at 130, okay, for 260. But we are waiting. We just saw this volume. It's not a bad idea to once seeing that volume, not a bad idea to with that kind of volume. Just take it, risking down there. Not too bad an idea. But came to this high here. Oh, because it was downtrend, we were looking for volume to the upside. This candle itself is volume to the upside. And then the breakout of that candle. And then risking 2 under probably, so 100 to give a 200. Done in this candle. And then we had this momentum here to the short side. So we had this candle here. Not much rejection. Rejection, waiting for another rejection, didn't get any. Pulls back down to the highs here on this candle. We got a long 135, looking for 270. Yeah, all the way up to 240. But we didn't quite get it to 275, 270. Sure would have been a nice TP right there. But would have been break even for sure. Let's say we got stopped at break even. And then let's say we got stopped at break even was 1210. And you take this one. Nah, it's not already broke through the lows. There's no way we're taking it. So we got stopped at break even. We may just let it go. But shit. 270, we're all the way at 2. We're all the way at 220 basically. So about 50 pips. Who knows? Maybe the Lord will speak to me to take profit, you know. I'll be blessed. This movement here took out a lot of stops. A lot of stops. And then continued back up. And here you have a complete downtrend in there. Let's see. Let's see if we'll get so it's good. I didn't like this candle. So it's good volume. Probably take it on that. But you can see it's kind of basing out. So it's the fourth candle. Normally it's supposed to be at the fourth candle that will be taking the trade. But it's now at the sixth candle. It's almost like a base. Basing out for continuation to the downside. Because it was already downtrending. That's what it seems like. Normally it's the fourth candle that we take a trade if we're gonna wait for not the sixth. So most likely I'll be taking a short here, but not on our main account. Because it's not the strategy we use. And then another short here. Again, so once this happens, we know that the base has formed right there. So we just let it be. We'll let it be for a bit. So there's not much volume in this candle right here compared to this, right? So this was okay volume. Okay, not good. Wait. I want to see that pullback and rejection. None of it. So at this point, let it go, man. Wait for it to probably at this point you just let it go. Falling knife, wait for it to bounce, 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 and then show strength going up. So bounce, bounce, but it never really broke this high, or bounce, 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 broke this high, boom, came down. Want to see another bounce, psych, bounce, 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 nothing. Now this one 730. This is a place we want to go short from. This right here because of the drop. I want to go short from here. Get a nice, beautiful short opportunity. Take 120, looking for 240. Get out 240, and then watching here for a long, right? But we're waiting for the candle with momentum, which we get on this candle. Taking this, risking down there, 150, looking for 300. Done. Wow, another short again. Taking another short, risking higher day still. 90, looking for 180. And then waiting for price to get around here. Get around here. Another long, looking for 145, 150. Get another 300. Another short. No. Good rejection here. So it's not a bad place to take a short too. So good rejection here. Good momentum short. So take the short here on this breakout, risking up here. 170, looking for 340. Done. Because this was supposed to continue going up, it just up, 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 momentum downward. So take the short there, risking higher there, really. 160, really, 320. Then we came back down here to this wicks. Good rejection here. Good rejections on the way down. Not a bad trade, risking this obvious low right there, 100. Give for 200. Done. Damn. This day had a lot of opportunities. Alright, let's go test some stuff out. $7.25. So is there anywhere we want to take a short from? We'd like a short from here. It's not a bad place to take a short from. Yes, we could call it here. So that's the red line's already there, so just put it up there. Not a bad place to take a short from there. Where else? Price is downtrending. We have this consolidation happening here. Breakout of either way, it's not bad on the 2% account, to be honest. And honestly, probably taking a short on the breakouts, risking just up here. And up there. It's not bad at all. But yeah, we're waiting for that momentum. Oh, nice. We took a short there. 2% account. Not bad on the breakout. 2%. Because it's already downtrending. Price has moved to the downside. It's coming down. Let's see if that's what's happening here too. Right now, we're just starting to come down. If anything, it's kind of like this day, so we may possibly come back up. So who knows? All right, so good rejection. We need volume. That's good volume. I don't like this candle though. So honestly, it's not a bad place to go short from. Plus, this candle is not all that. Don't really like this candle for a short though. And if we went short, we'd have to risk in here, obvious high. So, you know what? Sure, let's take that short on the main account now. Short right there. I don't like that candle like that though. Short right there, 100. Looking for 200. That's good volume, but again, we don't like this candle. That's good volume. So you see what I'm saying? It's the fourth candle. We had 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth candle is where you should be taking a trade, but we don't like the prior candle, so no trade here. So we already broke through that volume. It's also good volume. Followed by this. It's not bad at all, but we'll just hold our short. Looking for 200 anyways. So we're break even on our short right now. I think we won on that. Yep, that's it. So now we're out of this trade. Probably still holding this 1% just for the fun of it. Since it was our only trade anyways. No volume there. No volume there. It's okay. That is volume. We didn't like his candle. We didn't like prior. Didn't like his candle. Didn't like his candle. This had volume, but these two candles were disgusting. This is not a good candle. This is not a good candle. So, all right. Okay, now that's volume. But we don't like this candle, so let's wait. We're not going to take that trade. We don't like that candle. It was a good point that it dropped from, though. Created a high, too. We'll just let it be, though. We don't want to get stopped out right now. Because it's popping up with this volume initiation plus the red line. So we don't want to get in front of this right now, but we also don't want to join this because it can drop at any point. There's this high we can use as a risk. This high right here. 110. I like this candle, I really do. Plus it came up to here. Yeah, we'll take this trade. Long, short, risking up there, 110. Yeah, looks good. Looks like what I expect, not necessarily good. Well, this didn't make a new high, so it's not as though it's making new highs. That's a new low. That's good volume downside. That's more good volume downside. Alright, we'll hold this trade. It's probably gonna downtrend just like today. So 110, I'll give it 220, whatever. Let's go. Give it 220. And that's TP right there, 1210. Probably downtrending right here. There's probably no opportunities. 1230, done. Let's do another day. Let's remove these black lines. Been a while since I played games, yo. That's great. I used to play games almost every day. Nah, it's been a while. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With the new strat per se, we don't necessarily need the low. We don't need to put things on the lower side. Not much, at least. Not really. But on the high side, we just need to put specifically where where there was a large drop from. So here there was a nice large drop from here. It wasn't, it's good enough. So put this right there, and this aligns with everything. So we just put it. That's the only line okay. There was this good drop here too. So I guess we'll put that there too. That's not too bad a drop, and so it came all the way down here, right? So that's not too bad. We have that drop all the way up there, but I don't think we'll need it. It may never come up there. So 725. Let's go. First candle. One. Good rejection, but not good enough to take a short. Two. Beautiful rejection. Risk is up there. This is the obvious low right there. I don't really like the fact that. Should we just take the trade? Now we like taking it on the way up, when it goes up. Let's see if it gives us an opportunity. There you go. Stop bickering. With that much of a momentum, we don't give a shit. The prior candles were disgusting. Take a short here. Since we're already here, we'll just risk right about the 90. Cause I didn't like this rejection here. So if we didn't take this trade, if we were going to force this trade, then yeah, 90. If we had waited, then we'll be able to risk higher of the highest point 80. Which honestly doesn't sound too bad at all. $88. Sure would have been nice to be in here. This count did not look too comfortable too, so let's just assume we waited, we're patient enough. And we get stopped out. On both. So I guess that volume was heavy. That was heavy volume to the upside. Heavy volume to the upside. Next point of interest is up here. It's already rejecting as approaching. That's good for us. That's good for us. That's really good for us. Alright, we'll take a trade there. Short, risking the high of that point right there. How much is it? Not that much. 100. Think about 200. So down here. Shit! That is a destructive candle. We get the fuck out of there. Psych. Yo. Stop being a bitch, Michael. Just hold it. Take the loss. Chest the loss. With this amount of nah, we don't care what's happening no more. Got our 200. Got our 200, baby. So now we need volume. So this is good volume actually, but we need to break this high. Otherwise, we'd need to form a good. Now there you go. That's a high that's formed there. Pulled back up to here. Good rejection on this candle here. Good rejection on this candle here. Risking this high. It's not too bad, honestly. 110. Not bad at all. That's why we took it here. on this candle or on this candle. Maybe let's say here. That candle is the best. Oh, that's a beautiful, momentous candle. We still hold our short. It was 110, right? Yeah, about 110. Looking for 220 again. It's a really good candle. It's a really, really good candle. Yeah. That's a really good candle to take on that. To take as that breakout thing that we're talking about. Break of that candle is a long. Is a long. So 60 reaching 80. Looking for 160. Damn. But with the amount of sales that's been happening, we may not get that. At this point, might as well be break even at this point because it's a bearish market. Nice. Oh, I'll break even anyway. So gee, that momentum there, ugh, disgusting. Like it is, ugh, come on, like oh my god, ew. That's how it feels. Ew. Ugh. That's how it feels. Ugh. That's how it feels. Ugh. That's how it feels. Alright, 80, 160. We got up to 120. We didn't quite get to 160 though. That candle was so small to follow through on this one though. Who knows? Intuition may just click in at that point. Like, I'm out! Don't disturb me. Because I also got out early on this one, right? So I'm out. Alright, let's go for another back test and then I'll go play Fortnite because 6. So we get high. So we smoke weed. Honestly, with this, I think I'm gonna adapt this strategy because I don't get to. I actually don't like drawing lines that much. I don't. I see the point. I just don't like my charts looking like a mess, looking clustered. I have clusterphobia. I need to look organized, look neat, look clean, look zazzy. You know what I'm saying? But sometimes it just be looking like a mess, and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all. I feel good. No, 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 no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know. Na 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 na. So good, so good. All right, enough of this, Michael. All right, so well, where is the place we want to go? Like the place where there was just massive momentum from. There was one here. There's one here, and there is one for the short side. Actually, there's the green line already there. We had this is the point where price decided to tank from, and then obviously we have these points here. And well, Babao, we have Babao up there. Babao, that's it. These are the lines. I like it a little cleaner like this. We don't even need to draw some zones. We don't need to draw the zones. 1. Ugh, No rejection at all, bro. It's like we're going. Oh my God, shit, my bad, boys. Anyhow, we're not gonna go back. Um we'll just read it. And then he was like, no rejection today. And then boom, this base was like, not today, nigga. Hey, hey, you talking to me, bro? Huh? Get the hell out of here. That's what I did on this kind. Pop! Slap my boy. Slap the hell out of him. Slapped him back up to where he came from. Oh, sent him on his way packing back home. Broke the high. Went up a little higher. And hey, with this drop, we know it started from here. So, did we decide to take a short? Never. Not with this momentum, this volume on our back. There is no way. I say no way. No way in hell we're taking a short. No. But if you did decide to do strong head, and you did want to chook your head so that your head will be cut off, you could have gotten in a short right there and risking obvious highs. But I'm not going in short. That's just not me. That can do. That can do. Something about it is looking zazzy. Hello. How are you? Hey. Something about that can do is looking zang. Oh my god. Ugh. Disgusting. Ew. Calm down, buddy. Alright, so this kind of looks good, but I don't want to take it long because it broke the high. So we'll just watch. We keep watching. But we're not going to take it short either. We keep watching. Watching you. I'll take it short there. Why am I finally taking it short, you ask? This kind of had good rejection. This kind of tried to make a new high, but beautiful rejection. Now this kind is having rejection. Plus, it's come to the wakes of the high, so we can take this short, risking all the way up here because we're not gonna take it long anyways. You know what I'm saying? I'm running mad. I'm absolutely running mad. This is what the market has done to me. This is what the market has done to me. Ah! Hallelujah. Yeah. Hallelujah. See, I was going to take it long anyways. It's not like I was going to take it short. Yo, who will take it short? Who would know that this will happen and take it short still? Like, come on. Obviously, it's a long right there where I did not want to touch. Right there. That's exactly where I'd have taken my long. Hello? What do you mean? Take it short? Ew. Disgusting. 70. Or maybe it went there. So, or maybe here. Risking 80. Looking for 160. Ugh. Almost got it. Oh no. Okay, we're good. Came back to his highs. Obvious low. Hello. Huh? How I? Huh? This is a good trade right there. Sorry. Risking these lows. Oh my. So what? We get high. So what? We smoke weed. We just having fun. 80. Risking 160. Looking for 160, brother. We don't care who sees. So what? We can fly. That's how it's supposed to be. Oh, those are some nasty rejections. We get a. Okay, we didn't get it yet. We didn't get it, so we're good. 80. So we can fly. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free. Yes, sir. We can. All right. Well, this was very, very good if you took this. So if you took this, risking down the 80, you probably would run a run from the trade around here, 100. And then you get this pullback to these highs. One on uptrend, so don't stress. And you take that 90, looking for 180 kind of thing. But would you take it here or here? I don't think I'll take it here. Same way I would not have taken this one here. This is you can see it kind of looks different. This is a different kind. I know this kind of me and this kind of we have a rapport from back in the day. This one here, this one. But this one, me and it understands that it's quite more bearish than it is bullish. It happens that it does this next kind of happens or it will pop up, but not all the time, not a lot of the time. So this has the probabilities of my favor. This one probability is not on my favor. If I'm going long, if I'm going short, probability is on my favor. That is why this was a good point to short. Was it on this one? I don't know. It was here on this kind of here. All right. All right. I finished blabbering. And if we didn't take it here, we'll take it here. And the idea is we should probably get the hell out of the trade on this candle here. But then again, we already crossed the zone. Imagine we didn't get out of the trade and just put it as break even, then we're risking. We'll give a 160, right? P profit taking. You just missed this trade, that's all. Good rejection. Went above the black line already, so we're not looking to take a short. Plus, it's just the first candle. Still not looking to take a short. Not looking to take a short. Looking to take a short now because the second black line and the risk is all the way there. So what is this? 110. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's take that 110. 110 on the break of that candle. Break it. Break it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And so we get bullied. We didn't break it though. I'll probably run out of trade if I held this, but wasn't too bad a trade. Wanting to pull back here so we can take this obvious low. But there you go. There you go. Just like that. Just like that. Huh? Just like that. Hello. How are you? What do you mean? Give me this. Give me this. Hey, give me this. Long. 110. We're looking for 220. We probably didn't get it though. 220 all the way down here. But if we waited, given that this was disgusting, it wasn't much, and then waited for the next candle and the rejection, oh, and then we took a trade here instead, here or here, right here, and then went, risking. What's the risk time? 80, 160 acquired. You know what I mean? It's to acquire 160. I don't know either. But here will be 75 basically, looking for 150. So this will be your first trade, then this will be your second trade, then now you're in your third trade. Or it could have been your first trade, close the second trade, one, and then third trade here, and this is having your fourth trade. Oh, that's not looking good. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh yes. You know me. Hello. Huh? Why are these candles looking disgusting? I don't like these candles at all. Okay, we have lost this trade. There are just some things you know beforehand, before it happens, before it truly occurs. You can already smell it coming. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. That's why you risked it low, baby. Baby, you. Gonna get you twisted. Alright. That'll probably be the last trade, right? Yeah. Took you at 10:40, trade ended at 1:40. See, I'm done. Man, I'm tired, man. I'm absolutely tired. I just want to make money so I can take care of family. All right. But once I start making money, money is nothing to me. Money is nothing to me now, and money is gonna be nothing to me when I have it. So that's just all it is. I'm just gonna be same old me. I don't go out much. Don't fuck around, literally. And just looking forward to having my two wives, beautiful women that love each other and love me. And I'll take care of them as much as I can. Provision, check. Protection, that's a different whole story, man. I'll do my best on that. I'll do my best on that. Hey, I can fight. That's okay, but I'm still. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Oh, don't put the blame on me. That's how it feels, man. That's how it feels with this protection thing, you know. I thought trading was hard. Then you think about having to protect your family. That's a whole different thing, bro. Provision, I got you. Just give me a little bit more time. I'll get everybody. It's easy. It's not that. It's not all that. You guys already brought me here. I'll make it. But man, now that when I have my own family, my kids, my wives, what am I gonna do to protect them? How? Can't even protect myself, bro. Sheesh. Shit hurts. It's different. That shit is it's like playing a chess game that you just know you cannot win. All the moves you try to make every single calculated move, but you just can't win. All you can do is prolong the game and hope time runs out before you lose. But time never runs out though, actually, because even if you died, your children and your children's children, if you succeeded in having them survive, those people will still be alive. So it was still your job to protect them. And if anything happens to them, even though you're dead, doesn't matter. It's still your fault. Well, so in that case, then it's like playing a chess game that you know you cannot win. All you can do is make your moves with hope that the opponent doesn't win. So all you can hope for is a stalemate, and that is hoping for it. But losing is not guaranteed either. So that is the only saving grace we have on this game. You are not guaranteed to lose, but you're guaranteed to not win. Oh my god, that is crazy. Oh, that's crazy, but that's literally what protecting is like. A game of chess where you're guaranteed to not win, but you're also not guaranteed to lose. It's like you're not guaranteed to lose, but you will not win. You can only hope for a stalemate. That's it. Damn. Damn, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. Well, that's why I'm doing my best to line up my pieces and position them strategically before I bring another human being to this world and before I embark on the responsibility of taking care of whichever women I choose to um, accept. So I must first place my pieces. One of those pieces, one of those officials on my board. As a matter of fact, all of my officials on my board, except for the king, is being financially free, being financially stable, being financially well off. Having that is having, okay, not, it's having 70% of my pieces. Then maybe the rooks will be knowledge. Maybe one rook will be knowledge, one rook will be experience. They go hand in hand. The king himself is going to be a strong man. That's why I work out. A man who can fight. That's why I'm gonna learn martial arts. That's why I know a little bit of boxing. So I do some stupid moves sometimes. That's why I know that I cannot fight right now. So I'm not gonna be. I cannot really fight. I can't fight, but I don't think I'm that good. So, and I also know to avoid fighting. But the king is gonna be strong. The king is strong. The king is gonna know martial arts. The king is handsome. The king is king. And then we got the rooks, knowledge and experience. We got the bishops and the knight. And that is going to be financial freedom, financial stability. All of that is going to be the bishop. Those four pieces, those are all finances. If we don't have those, man, this chess game is going to be hard. You can be a king, sure. You can have your rooks, sure. But if you don't got those bishops and knights, it's going to be hard. Actually, let's say, let's say, let's say the queen on the board. Oh no, the queen on the board is going to be the women and children you decide to take, and it's the king's job to protect. So are you saying, well, that's redundant? That's inaccurate per se because the queen protects the king on the chessboard. Um, so we'll just call the queen the finances because that's powerful. That's a powerful piece on the board. And then we'll call the queen and all the bishops and the knights finances. That's what we'll call it. Powerful pieces on the board. If you don't have those, and then what are the pawns? The pawns, mistakes. It makes sense to call the pawns your life mistakes because, well, a mistake can be an opportunity, and it could advance you to where you want to be a little further. So in that sense, a pawn reaching the other side of the board can turn to whatever official you need. So a mistake can turn to an opportunity. Just don't make a lot of them. Don't make a lot of them and make smart mistakes because they're smart choices and stuff like that. So I'll call the pawns mistakes. And if you don't like any of these analogy, well, good for you. Don't really care. Don't even know you exist. I've stopped streaming by the time you're watching this. So You will never be able to meet me. Actually, you may be able to. Who knows? But to be honest, what you think does not concern me. But I do hope you're a good person, though. Being a good person is should be your priority. Enjoy. But don't be stupid. Be a good person, but don't be stupid. Think for yourself. Protect yourself. Don't let people abuse you. But don't be violent. Don't abuse people. Use violence only when you have no other means of resolution. And if somebody's being violent towards you, use violence as self-defense and use violence to detain that person if you have to, or you could just run and call people with guns, police, right? It's their job too. If you don't want to do it, because sometimes it may just be, I whooped this guy's ass. But you know what? Hello, police. This guy's drunk over here. Could we get him in cuffs, please? He's drunk and driving. DUI. DUI. I was about to say DIY. Do it yourself. Already done trading, but look at that. Came down to this high, risking that low. Pop up! One time. Up. Up. There you go. Easy. Easy, 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 easy. Alright. Sorry I took more of your time than I wanted to. Adios. I'm gonna go play some Fortnite. Let me go play some Fortnite and